Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to listen songs together in long distance relationship in Spotify. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So the best method for listening music together in long distance partner on Spotify is using Groic. So Groic is a music listening app that allows users to listen to Spotify music with friends and chat in real time. So Groic does not require a Spotify premium subscription or Apple Music and enables users to listen to a music and radio with their friends. So simply tap open your Play Store or App Store and simply go in your search bar, tap in Groic. So once you have done this, you can simply find this app. So simply install this app in your device and create a room to invite your partner or join in an existing room that they have created. Now connect Groic to your Spotify account and start playing music in the Groic room, and your partner can join in and listen along with you. So Groic also allows you to chat in real time with your partner while you're listening to the music. This is how you can simply listen music or songs together in long distance relationship in Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.